Hi everyone, Rigby Artho here. This is a video on how to make your life better after doing everything that you're supposed to be doing or at the same time. So let's say you're depressed still and you're still working on your self-love and you're still working on pulling out those weeds. Okay, so crystals I've mentioned before, definitely get the crystals. If you can afford them, obviously. If you can't, meditation will do a lot better than you think it will. Like, if you do it for long, like I used to do it 3 times a day for an hour each time, which is 3 hours a day, it used to do way more than my crystals do now. Way more. And you'd feel it. The sensations, you'd feel a glow up, you'd feel your energy change, you'd feel your mental state get way better in a really quick time as well. But when you're consistently meditating without big gaps like days without it. Blankets, nice warm fluffy things like this. I love my stuff. I do. I love my comfort stuff. You get yourself a hot water bottle, or if you can't afford one of them, get some warmth of something like a hot brew or a bottle of something. Because literally warmth, I don't know why, but it really does help when you've like not feeling good. Just warmth and being cozy and stuff like that. And there's nothing. I'm in a video.
Yeah, I was laughing at this.
There's nothing wrong with resting when you're not feeling good. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. You can go lay down, you can rest. Obviously, if you've got kids, then yeah, it's not really the same, but you can rest when you can rest. But yeah, warmth, soft, fluffy things, crystals, going out in nature, going for walks, anything that makes you feel good. And I want to remind you as well, are you looking after yourself? Are you looking after your parents? Are you looking after your skin and your teeth and all that stuff? Do you want to do something with your hair? Like, are you one like I am where you get bored every 5 minutes, so you have to colour it and stuff like that? Do what makes you feel good. Now, I don't mean go get plastic surgery and change your whole face. Or, I want you to be happy in your own skin. That is the way it's supposed to be. If you feel like you want to gain weight or lose weight, I've got a video for that. Watch it. It takes time, but as I said before with the ups and downs video, it's good to have goals, and it's good for the time where you're actually working towards them goals, because you're going to feel so much happier and excited when your goal is there and finished and where you've done it. But yeah, nice smells as well. So like perfume and spray stuff for your house, flowers. If you're asthmatic, I've been told go for green plants, not flowers. And stuff like that. Things that make life feel magical and nice and clean and flowery. A lot of people like what they're called, incense sticks. Anything that makes you feel nice and rest as much as possible. Yeah, but also exercise as much as possible as well. And make sure you get your full 7 hours sleep. And for kids, I think it's 12. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned and toodaloo mofos.